buying a Jeep. This is it. Today we are trading the Kona for new Jeep. Just bought this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. What's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming back and checking out my videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you know when the next video is coming out. Please give this a big thumbs up. So we are finally here, our 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. We finally picked it up, and I'm going to tell you this whole little backstory behind it and show you a little bit about what we got in this vehicle. So 2016, we had a black Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, much like this one that you see here. Although that one was pretty bare bones, didn't have any really good features, and but my wife loved it. It was her daily driver. And then we got the Hyundai Kona. Well, we've had the Hyundai Kona for about, the last year and a half or so, and what we decided to do is trade that in now and get a new Jeep Wrangler. So this Jeep Wrangler is a 2021, and right now it is October of 2020. What happened is I went out to the dealer lot, gosh, this must have been about 8 weeks ago, right? And I went to go find a Jeep Wrangler just like this. When I got out on the lot, there were no Wranglers in sight, nothing. Production had shut down because of COVID, and they stopped making all Jeep Wranglers, no production at all. And they basically said, we're not making any more 2020s at this point. So if you want a new Jeep Wrangler, you have to order it. So we had to custom order this Jeep Wrangler, which was actually kind of cool because we got to pick out exactly what we wanted. So what we have here is the Stingray. I'll give you a nice look at that. See it in the sunlight as we go around. You can really see that really nice gray color. It's nice and shiny, clean. But we just cleaned this up really good, polished all the windows, polished everything. So it's looking awesome. So as I said, we custom ordered this Jeep Wrangler, and with that, what we got was the running boards that we added. We got the remote start. We added the cold weather package, which also gives us heated steering wheel, heated seats, and the remote start, which is actually pretty cool setup here. So if we just lock, and there she is running just like that. And we could shut it off right now because we don't need to let it run any longer. This Jeep is freaking awesome. So the other thing that we did to this, we also got the technology package. So it's got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all of that in there. It's got the backup camera, it's got all the technology, it's got all the connected apps. It's pretty high tech for a Jeep. But the coolest thing is we also got the soft top. The newer soft tops are really cool. They've got, like a little piston arm, which makes it super easy to just push it back and then bring it back down when you're ready to put the top back on. Also, the back window, the back sides, they come off so much easier. No more zippers. It's all done with a track design. You just slide it in, slide it out. So easy. At some point I will make a video showing you how to do that. But today is going to be a fun day. We're going to actually take the Jeep out for the first little Jeep excursion, and we're going to be going to Skip Back Days. There's a bunch of crafters there. My wife and sister-in-law are super excited about that, so you'll see a whole lot more of that coming up.